Hey everybody, this is day 3 of this holiday. We're just about to have some breakfast and we're going to that park again, but this time, yeah, we're gonna play around a bit again, but we're going on that nature walk. So, let's go. Here we are again, folks, the Rushmore Prac. Hey, I'm gonna try to climb up this thing, girl. Look, oh gosh, oh my god, okay. Do you think I'm allowed to do that? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness, oh my god. Let me try to get down from here. Hold on. It's gonna take a bit of work. Oh my god. Oh, okay. It's a bit hot. Okay. Oh. It's like a slide. It's like a slide. Yeah, it's a bit like a slide. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, I wonder where these kids are going to. Time for an adventure. It's like I'm really in the jungle. Like I'm really taking a nature walk, but we're gonna take a real life nature walk after we're done playing for a bit. So yeah. Hey, I did it! What the hell is that? Gee, thanks, Mom. I've always wanted to dig up the road. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's the life for me. Oh. Yes. Oh.
Are you going over the road? Are you going
Yeah. Yes.
It's gone, the lady chicken.
Yeah.
Are you going to go and see some? Ring. Ring. Right, let's fit.
Evie!
Okay, what this is. Look at this thing. Sorry, little boy.
Are you alright, Connor?
His name is What? That's
Do you want to ask?
that's enough of this digging up the road.
Sam, be careful.
Almost got into my shoe.
Connor.
I can do the rest of the job with my
Gonna
hands.
go and see so.
Actually,
Why?
alright, we're going for this walk now.
I don't know where we're going. Find over there, maybe?
Okay, first of all, we need to walk past through the toilet, so yeah. No cycling beyond this point. Yeah, that'll show them. Alright, there's a bridge, and which way are we going? I don't know which way we're going. Yeah, that must be the toilet. I just need to climb up this mountain. So yeah. Mama! Okay. My God. Look at that peaceful river.
So where's the guy?
Oh. Sorry, that's just a wee wasp. Oh, okay. It's just a lot of bugs. Oh my God.
So if you're walking through the middle, so that's okay.
Just stay in the middle.
This,
Just
it's
stay in the middle and watch your feet. Like, we don't want any cut knees.
it's really dark in here.
Nettles. What's enough nettles?
My God. We might find a giant or a witch's cauldron in here. Yeah, we're gonna find a giant. Wait, which way are we going?
Keep following the lake.
Yeah, the lake knows the way. Ah, that bench must be abandoned. Oh, man. Alright, I'm moving. Oh my gosh.
Can I get a photo of the
Look, guys!
That's not
A giant! Next, we need to find the witch's cauldron. Yeah. Just look at this animal place. That must be where the animals live. But we're in the search for the cauldron. Alright, we're good. Still in the search for the cauldron. Yeah, I did it. Oh my gosh. Stay away, guys. Because that thing right there, that's an electric fence. If you go near it, you'll get a shock.
Carry on walking. Which is what?
Yeah, we'll carry on walking. My God, look at that lake. Oh my gosh. Yeah, there was a bug. There's a bug in my ears. There's bugs surrounding us everywhere. Alright. Let me know when we can find the cauldron. Do you hear that?
Get away.
That must have been the grasshopper. There was a lot of bugs. But it's still peaceful. That's a really narrow path. We're in the dark woods again. That must be where we'll find the cauldron. Sorry, it's just all the bees around us. Alright. We're gonna search for the cauldron. So yeah. Okay, the witch's cauldron must be on the other side, but we're going in that direction, so we must be closer. And those lily pads, oh boy, we must be near those frogs. Okay. The sign says this way. Come on. We're going up that hill. We'll make it. Oh my God. What is that? I don't think that's the witch's cauldron. But what is that? That may not be the cauldron, but he is a really handsome dude. He's looking at it. I'm okay with this. Right, we still need to wait for our family and yeah. Wait, the sign says this way. What? But we should follow the river. I don't get it. Well, we should follow the river, and also we should follow the sign, so... I don't know what that is, but... I think that tells us will be closer to the cauldron, because that must be the witch's hat. I think we're getting a little bit closer to the cauldron. And this is it! Oh, must have tripped over. Time for me to fit inside this cauldron. Look! This cauldron is my new home! Okay, I think we might be looking for another giant. I think. Hold on. Oh, okay. Think I found it. Oh, that's just a giant birdie. That must be the giant Dad was talking about. I'll be in the tail. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. We also found a wolf giant. Also makes a great house. My gosh. Careful with the teeth.
Oh, be careful, Dick. For Dad to come out.
Alright.
Where's Dick?
Look at that.
Good.
The other side makes it cooler. Look at that. Oh my god. Alright. This way must be the way to a walled garden. It's a garden with a wall around it. Probably like our garden back at home, I think. That must be the garden I was talking about. Look at that. God. It's like a little house. I think we're gonna. Crap, the grass is wet. Are we gonna go into the house? Nah, this is breaking the rules. Okay. I wonder where we're going to next. Oh, leads us to a castle now. Okay, cool. Maybe we'll get a view up at the top. Huh? Oh, the view must be right over there. So let's go. Nah, the view isn't that good. Oh my god! I found a door!
Here, guys.
Oh my god, I found a wee hole.
Wow. Here, guys. Turn on.
I wonder what surprise we'll see next. It's a car park. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. So, oh, just a reminder that tomorrow is day 4, yeah. But day 4 is really bad because we'll be going home tomorrow after lunch. I think it's after lunch. Yeah. Anyway, love you. Bye.